We wanted to save money. The house has underfloor heating, so it uses a fair bit of energy. And we felt bad taking that all from the grid, but we actually wanted something that, made us feel better about using energy. And we had a big roof and thought, great, let's put some solar panels on there. We had the system installed about 3 or 4 months ago, just at the sort of beginning of the spring, and since then it's been absolutely brilliant. I think we're probably using about half the grid energy that we were initially. We're a family with 3 young children, and they're all really interested in making everything sort of greener and better really for the terms of the future and in pollution. So having a solar powered system is actually really helpful. They can have a look and see how much energy we're taking from the grid and see how to reduce that, but they can also know as well that the energy that we use in the house is energy that's just come from sunshine rather than anything polluting. Everything's at your fingertips. You can see how much energy you've used, when you've been using grid energy. If you have particular spikes at times of day with using the grid energy overnight, you can actually work out what's connected and why that's been happening so that you can minimise it in future. When you switch on your lights at night and when you're doing your cooking for your dinner, switching on your oven, dishwasher, that kind of thing, you can see that you're still not taking any energy from the grid, so you're still using your solar power. With the solar panels, we actually run a hybrid electric car, and it means that we can plug the car in every single day and see that actually the energy we're using in the car is coming from the sun rather than having to burn so much fossil fuel, which is great. Having a solar power system installed is a really important part of a sort of integrated green lifestyle. We have a heat pump system as well for heating, so that we know that that's now running off solar power, and we're just doing everything we can to be green.